Today I show you how to install apps on your iPhone. You can install apps by going to the App Store on your iPhone. You have to be logged in on the App Store with your Apple account, and then you search for the apps you want to install. For example, here I will try to find some recommendations. Okay, for example, I have the Bold Food app here. I didn't install this one before. And to install the app, you have to be logged in to your Apple account, press Get, and you might have to do a double press here on the right, you might have to do a double click on the power button, and this is going to install it now. So double tap, Face ID, and now it's installing the app. You see it here. It's installing, and when it's finished, you can open it from here, or you can open it from your iPhone. It's going to be already here on the iPhone. So I can open the app easily. I can open the app easily now, and it's going to automatically update whenever it has new versions. Through the App Store, it will be automatically updated when it has new versions. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you. You have to be logged into your Apple account on the App Store for this to work, this App Store. Thanks for watching.